What's happening, guys? It's dampz Plays and welcome back to another video. So I'm doing something completely different on the channel, and this is my new phone that I got, and I've been wanting to get these for such a long time as well. And this is the latest phone from Ulefone, which is a make which I've never even heard of, you know. So I just got to mention, this is something I just wanted to get off Amazon, because you can't even get these in the shops around where I live anyway, because they're all like full of smartphones that I break so easily as well. So like myself, I'm prone to breaking phones but just to let you all know, I'm actually recording off my Huawei P10 Lite, and I'm really impressed with the camera on this phone that I'm recording right now. So I have it as my backup phone. So this is the latest phone, and it's one of these rugged phones that are hard to break as well, you know. So it's waterproof, it's shockproof, dustproof, heat resistant and frost resistant as well. So let me get the zoom right on this. So this is the actual phone itself, and this one is the standard UK charger as well, safe and fast. So I've actually got this free with this phone as well, because these are pretty much expensive to buy from the company itself. Yeah, so it's recommended that you use this charger that comes with the phone. But just to let you all know, I did unbox this, so I thought I'd just do it for the purpose of this video as well. But as you all can see, it runs Android Pie, which is the latest one from Google. And this one has the barcode on it, Ulefone, and comes in a nice fancy sleeve. So all screen, IP69 68 proof, Helio P7 octa-core, and I think it's from 2.1 to 2.3 gigahertz, and it's 8 core, and I'm really impressed with the performance. So 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, face unlocked and fingerprint ID, dual rear camera, 6.2 HD display, and it supports wireless charging, 5000 milliamp battery, and as I said, it's Android Pie. So let's open this thing up then. So as you can see, we got the actual phone, so, and it tells you what's what and where's where. So it's the screen, the power on and off, volumes, light sensor, proximity sensor, oh wow, front facing camera, LED notification light, and this is the earpiece. So what have we got on the back here? It gives you more detail on this one, and obviously this is the code that's on the bottom as well, so it's worth keeping this. And this is the actual screen protector that comes with it, and this was stated on the outer packaging. So after the test, please dry off the speaker and make sure it's completely dry before using, or otherwise it may cause some noises. So I even tried this as well. Please don't do the waterproof test if the phone is broken, or after destructive test. I haven't even tried that, but I've dropped this a few times and it seems to be absolutely solid. So let's take this off. But as you all can see here, we've actually got the built-in screen protector. They've actually put this on for us, so it saves us from doing it. But any of this goes, they sent us a replacement one which comes in a box. But I like the actual design on this, it's brilliant. And that's the fingerprint sensor, that's a UV light sensor, camera flash, and your dual cameras as well for improved picture quality. So this is the micro SD and SIM card slot here, and there's a little tray. So this is kind of hard to open. Let's get this thing open as well. Okay, they made it easier to come out. And then we got the USB type C. Let's get this thing open. See, there it is. Let's put that aside. And then we got the key for opening the tray, and let's go underneath this. So this is the screen protector that's come with this, which is really good. That's the warranty card. Sorry if I can't get my words right, I'm a little bit dyslexic. And instructions of phone charging. Due to the limitation of safety on battery power, the battery should be kept within 30% when the phone is delivered, which is good. Please charge the battery for 30 minutes before starting up for use. But what really impressed me was the battery was already charged when I've opened this phone up, and I've charged it like a couple of times. You know what, I just gotta say, I'm really impressed with the performance of this phone. And this is the user manual, so it tells you what's what, and it shows you how to put the SIM in and which way to put the tray in. Transflash, I don't know why they call it Transflash, because they used to call it back in my early days when micro SD was coming out, because back in my teenage days it was just only standard SD cards and mini SD, which you don't see much anymore. SIM card slot 2 can be used otherwise. And then we got the overall exterior of the phone as well. More other bits in here. Okay, power adapter, USB cable, charging. Mind you, this phone is absolutely powerful. So this is the headphone to micro USB adapter and actual USB type C lead as well. And this is the standard USB to USB type C. So you can actually use this as a power bank to charge another phone up which is really good if your friend or whatever is running out of battery. If they're on low battery, you can use this to charge their phone up. And not just that, you can use this to plug in any devices like USB flash drives, and I've not even tried any external hard drives if it will plug into this phone. So let's get onto the phone itself. So as you can see, the layout is absolutely brilliant. So it won't come like this or anything, but it's just I've customized the home screen. Let's go into the settings. So 27% used of 64 gigabytes. So we've still got a whole load of space on this, and I've got a 128 gigabyte micro SD as well. And then let's go on to about. So this is an Armour 6E device name. I'm going to keep it as that. Phone storage 64 gigabytes. Yeah, so you'll be down to like 50 something gigabytes because obviously it's got the system OS on it, so it will use like almost a quarter of your storage. And then the Android version is 9, so it tells you that you're using the latest Android Pie. Yeah, okay, so let's go back onto the home screen. So I'm just going to test the speaker, see how good it is. Okay, so I'm really impressed with the speaker itself. It's quite loud. But when you have it like this, it's not so bad, but the phone gives a nice sound to it. So anyway, I've just got to mention that this is the microphone and this is the actual microphone there, and that's about it really. So there's not much I can say about this phone, but all I know is waterproof, shockproof. Let me prove it, it's waterproof there, as you can see there. I like the design of it, it's just really brilliant. Ulefone, which is the official logo. And I've got this off Amazon for like £233 because it was on promotion as well. So it was £29 off. And it was the first time I bought a phone off Amazon. So I recommend you get one of these if you're looking for a phone like this, because this is one of the cheapest gaming phones that I've had so far. I've not done any gaming tests on it or anything, but I will do it in the next video, guys, or later on the channel. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Peace.